my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Adriana. In today's video, I am coming with a celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial. Ariana Grande just released a fantastic video. She looked absolutely amazing in the video. So I said, why not recreate the look? My friend and I were looking at the video, Kyla, and Kyla's like, Adriana, please do that makeup tutorial for me, please. Do that look, I want to see it so bad. So I said, okay, I'm gonna recreate it. I'm gonna drop it this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. You will be. And let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I love this stuff. We're gonna use this to prime our eyelid. I'm going to take my Real Technique smudger brush and I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Okay, so now I'm going into my eyeshadow palette, and this is from Wet n Wild, and this one is called Not a Basic Peach, and we're gonna go in with this color here. So we're gonna apply that into our crease, and I'm using my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to use this into the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the transition color on the bottom with the same brush, and we're going to apply it right on top. And now I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm using the same concealer to cut the crease. The color that I used in the lid was this color. Now I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer, and this stuff is really good for using to apply your glitter onto your lid, anywhere on your face, realistically. So I really like to use this. So we're gonna apply this onto the lid. So I'm going to take the glitter. I'm really loving the way that it looks so far. So now we're gonna go in with liner. My favorite eyeliner that I love to use nowadays is my NYC liquid eyeliner in black. I've been loving this stuff. Like, I've been grabbing for this more than I have my Inglot. Like, this stuff is just absolutely amazing. I'm getting glitter in my bronzer. I have to be blowing it. Okay guys, so I'm taking my Too Faced Glitter Pro Peel Off Eyeliner, and I'm applying this right underneath our wing eyeliner. In the video I saw that she had a double eyeliner going on, so we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, you have to have steady hands for this. If you don't have steady hands, I feel sorry for you. So we're just taking it underneath. Okay, so I'm going to put on my lashes off camera, and then we will continue with the rest of my face. Guys, so I'm back. So I completed my lashes, I did my highlight and contour. Now I'm just going to apply my highlight powder on the high points of our cheekbones, and then we're going to do our lip. So we're going to be booming and beaming like Ariana Grande. So we're going to apply our highlight, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in Golden Flower Crown. So for my lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop's Take a Pixie, and this is their Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick line. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a clear lip gloss, and this is from Wet n Wild, and this is in crystal clear. So make sure you're using a clear lip gloss. The very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply another highlighter, and this highlighter that I am applying onto the lips is BECCA's Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal, and I'm just applying this into the middle part of our lip using my finger. So now I'm going to set my face. Making sure that there's nothing on our teeth. I think we're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting this look together. I love Ariana Grande, and the video that she came out with a couple days ago, that makeup look, oh, it was, I'm speechless. So I had to recreate it, and I did that for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Share it with your friends, your family members. Everyone can do this. It's such an easy look to do from what I saw and what I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms, Adriana Ohh for Instagram and Facebook, and follow me on my Snapchat as well. I do post every single day on there at Adriana Oscar 95. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I have my curls up in here. You've been seeing me with